Alright, so here's this machine, the My Wish mystery box machine for $100,000 dong, which is approximately $5. And I've decided that, okay, here, let's go for it and put it in, alright? Here, let's do it. And let's see what's inside the mystery box. 17, my hockey number, okay? Yeah, number 17. What does that shit say?
No.
So we obviously know it's bullshit.
This is 600,000. Oh, wait.
600,000.
But I don't know how much we had to put inside.
100. It says 100 right here. This is right here.
Okay.
Insert cash.
Ah, it's gone.
Yeah, it's gone now. Wait. Alright, now so what's inside the stupid box? What is inside of it? $5 worth of crap. As long as there's $5 worth of crap in there, I am stoked. Alright. What is it? Okay. Alright. You guys tell me that's $5 worth of crap? Okay. And now we know.